Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare. A mechanic found this piece of foil stuck in this vehicle's oil pickup. Lucky it hadn't caused damage. This is what happens when you don't do regular oil changes. A customer's boat trailer came in like this. They declined the repairs only to come in 2 months later for 2 new axles. Who knows how long this customer has been breathing the nasty air from this cabin air filter? Yuck.
Okay, that's a first. That's a casing, actually. That's not a bullet.
Oh yeah, the case.
Maybe it's a whole bullet. Who knows? Once you get it out,
It might just be. It look like it.
it looks like a bullet. That's a fucking
Damn.
bullet. Damn, that's a first.
This customer must have been getting pranked as the mechanic found this harmonica zip-tied underneath their truck. Customer states there's a high-pitched whining noise coming from under the vehicle. They really shouldn't have declined the previous service.
Yeah, this side of the truck, all nice and fine, all things are intact. Come to this side, no anti-sway bar link. Wow. Yeah, that would make a difference.
Customer states, my car's low on power and the exhaust sounds funny. Turns out they had a swimming pool in their exhaust. Customer states, my brakes are too loud.
I think we got a problem.
Found out why the engine got loud all of a sudden.
Crash.
This vehicle came in for some minor work, but when the mechanic was driving it to the lift, they heard and felt a clunking sound. This is what they ended up finding, and as per usual, the owner declined any of the necessary repairs.
I want to know what they hit. That's all
How f***ed up is f***ed up? That's f***ed up.
Customer states, I think I need new rear tires, and I think they needed new ones over a year ago. Customer states, there's a noise in the rear and the ABS light is on. Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.